All right, question number 8. We're going to use this graph to determine some things. The acceleration during the first 8 seconds, that is the slope of the velocity graph. So I'll take this point here. I'm actually going to be clear with my point too. This is 8, 16. This is 0, 0. Until I actually get the rise over the run, which is 16 minus 0 over 8 minus 0, which is going to be 2 meters per second squared. Now the displacement, that's going to be the area as we discussed in class. So I'm going to split this into 2 parts. Okay. And you know what? I'm going to use a different color here. Let's use this nice strawberry color. So this area here, so I basically have 2 parts. I have the triangle area, and I have this rectangle area. And I'm going to go ahead and actually calculate those. So the triangle area is 1/2 base times height, which is going to be 1/2, times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 16, plus, now the width here is 6, and the length is also, here is 16, so that's going to be plus 6 times 16. You know, let me just become clear. The rectangle area is going to be length times width, which is going to be 6 times 16. So we're going to end up getting 64, and this part here is 96. So when we actually add these two up, we're going to end up getting a displacement of 160 meters. So just to double check that. So that's yep, 64 plus 196 or 160. Perfect. All right. Now the average velocity for the whole trip, that's going to be the total displacement divided by the total time. And that will end up being here, you're going to take 160 and you're going to divide it by your total time, which is 14 seconds. And so when I actually work that out, 160 divided by 14 is 11. It says 11.4. Okay, I'm going to round that to 11 seconds. And that would, sorry, not 11 seconds, 11 meters per second ends up being the total displacement for the trip. So that is question number 8. I believe that's the last one for our homework. So let's just see. Yep, and that is it. And don't forget to do your homework corrections on homework number 1. You'll need those for tomorrow. So here's our homework problems completely done.